Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Sheet Metal Box Bottom lesson. From the supplied files, open the part Electronics. Click on the New command and select Make Assembly from Part. Select the assembly template and click OK. In the Begin Assembly command, click OK to locate the part in the origin. And save the assembly as Power Supply Assembly. From the Insert Components drop-down command, select New Part. Select the assembly's right plane to locate the new part and change to a left view. In the new sketch, draw the profile, add geometric relations and dimensions as indicated. From the Sheet Metal tab, click in the Base Flange command. Set the sheet metal parameters and options. Change the end condition to offset from surface in both directions using the faces indicated. And click OK. Expand the Feature Manager's part to see the new part's sheet metal features. Rotate the part, open the Design Library and select the folder Forming Tools Lenses. Drag the lens to the face indicated and set the lens parameters. Click in the Positions tab, rotate the part, change to Hidden Lines Visible, and add the extra library positions as shown. Cancel the Point tool. Drag the first point to add a concentric relation to define its location, and click OK to finish. Change to a top view. Select a lens face to add a sketch. Draw and dimension 4 circles as shown. Add an equal geometric relation to make the 4 circles equal, and make an extruded cut using the Link to Thickness option. Turn off the Edit Component command to continue. Open a web browser and go to 3dcontentcentral.com. In the 3D Content Central page, search using the part number provided. Select the part. Set the download options and click Download. Drag the parts link into the assembly window. Select Save As and save the part to your computer. Reorient the part and add a coincident mate between the fan and the box. Move the fan closer to the position indicated. Add a coincident mate between the fan's right plane and the electronic face. And finally, a distance mate. Click the sheet metal part and select Edit Part from the context toolbar. Hide the electronics part. Change to a back view and add a new sketch. Draw a circle and make it concentric with the fan. Hide the fan in the assembly and complete the sketch. Add a horizontal, vertical, and angle lines. Dimension the profile and add the necessary geometric relations. From the Sheet Metal tab, select the Vent command. Select the boundary. Set the radius. Select the lines for the ribs. Set the rib thickness. Select the two circles for spars. Set their thickness. And select the fill-in boundary. Click OK to finish. Slow double click to rename the sheet metal part box bottom. Right click on it, select Save Part and click OK. Turn off the Edit Component command. Click on the sheet metal part and open it. From the sheet metal tab, select the miter flange command. Select the edge indicated. Draw and dimension a profile as shown. Select Exit a Sketch. Enter the miter flange parameters. Click on the Propagate icon and click OK. Select the plane automatically created, add a new sketch, and draw the same profile in the opposite side. From the Sheet Metal tab, click on Miter Flange, select the Propagate icon, click OK, and hide the auxiliary planes. Return to the assembly, make the electronics part visible, and hide the vent features sketch. Click on the box bottom part and select Edit Part from the context toolbar. Select the Unfold command, select the fixed face, the bend to unfold, and click OK. Reorient the part, add a new sketch, draw the profile and dimension as indicated. Make an extruded cut using the Link to Thickness option and click OK to finish. From the Sheet Metal tab, click on the Fold command. Select the Bend to Fold and click OK. Click on the Edge Flange command. Select the top edge. Set the size and direction. And click on Edit Flange Profile. Drag the end lines. Delete the front line. Modify the profile as indicated. And dimension. Click back. Set the edge flange parameters and click OK. Open the design library, select the folder Forming Tools, embosses, and drag the extruded hole onto the flange. Click in the Positions tab, locate the library, and click OK to finish. Using the right plane, use the mirror command to mirror the flange and the extruded cut library. Repeat the mirror command and copy the flanges about the part's front plane. Make a new part. Add a sketch in the front plane. Draw a profile and dimension as indicated. Make an extruded boss. Set the depth and click OK. Add a new sketch in the front face. Draw the sketch profile and dimension as shown. Make an extruded cut. Use the up to next end condition and click OK. Select the extruded cut feature. Use the Save As command. Select the library feature part type and save it as Power Connector Cutout in the library folder. Right-click on the Annotations folder and select Show Dimensions. Make the part's dimension names visible and rename the dimensions indicated. Expand the Dimensions folder and drag the Rename Dimensions to the Locating Dimensions folder. Drag the remaining dimensions to the internal dimensions folder. Right-click on the Annotations folder and hide the feature dimensions. Save the library and close the file. Rotate the assembly. Select the Design Library folder. And drag the power connector cutout to the part. Select the edges indicated in the preview window. Set the dimensions. And click OK to finish. From the supplied files, open the power connector part. Click on the Reference Geometry command and select Mate Reference. Select the edge indicated and click OK. Save the part to continue. In the Design Library, click on Add to Library. Select the Parts folder. Click OK. Close the part and turn off Edit component in the assembly. Open the folder Design Library Parts and drag the power connector to the assembly as indicated. Locate the part and add a parallel mate to finish. Click in the box bottom part and open it. Add a new sketch in the face indicated. Draw a slot and dimension as shown. Make an extruded cut using the Link to Thickness option and click OK to finish. Make a linear pattern of the slot. Set the direction, spacing, and number of copies. Click OK to finish. From the Sheet Metal tab, select Corners, Break Corners. Set the options and window select the part. Click OK to finish. Save the part. Click on the Flatten command to show the flat pattern. Expand the Flat Pattern feature. Select Flat Pattern 1 and select Edit Feature. Toggle the Merge Faces option to see the difference. Repeat and change the Merge Faces option again. Turn off the flatten command and save the part to finish.